Ethnic state kawarna kaburam yang ibaro.
BJP, BJP. Hore, hore, hore.
Ki nongeram jengka seng BJP Meghalaya nekasngi kelapan pau ke jeng skokmen baka seng BJP kalayo ke jeng job hakanik election badang sedap hakilai teli ke jela ka seng BJP kala job berai ka thong hak jela Rajasthan Chattisgarh Madhya Pradesh na kaliang UMLA ka seng BJP ba yalhek bedairu menteri ke sarkar jela ulai kublai kerpang ya ki nongelam jengka seng kibla treistom banyo ya ke jeng job Wala penrap dak baong kini baro kidai bagi nongelam jong keseng nadu central hadu kijela ki treistam mat menta kalayo yau so baba habai dei bet election MP na kaliang ba hek ulong ba baro kasyong haki nongelam ba hakli jong keseng bat lada na kaliang jongki kiterwayu ba unmi benikun ya kataru updiang hanrai lada ki ailat ya ki kendai bakin mi Nagalang kejongu ulong balakaloi baneterilang nakabenda kata.
Lok Sabha election will be a clean sweep for BJP. Here also before in Telangana we talked, we have only one MLA the last elections. From one MLA to increase to 10 MLA is a winning of the BJP. Talk about the Mizoram, we have only one seat in the last election. So now we have increased the vote share also in Mizoram. See, Meghalaya is a very potential seat for BJP. We have got now with the new office bearers and the new president. We are working in tandem with all the office bearers and all the Karyakarta workers. Definitely BJP is going to have more seats in the coming elections. I'm not saying that I must be probably, that's depend on the national leader for selections of the candidate. But I still insist if we have a good Mahila candidate, it would be better for the BJP if anyone is there to strong that we can make to ensure we will get the Shillong seat and also the Tura parliamentary seats. I'm not saying like that because 30% of the Mahila BJP has already notified, so we have to respect that one.
Okay.